Ronnie, and this is Flip Flop Nation. Let's see what sold this weekend.
Our very first item is this vintage Big Ben denim jacket. It was listed for $39.99 and we took a best offer of $20. The next item is a tricolor inkjet cartridge. It was listed for $12.99 and we took a best offer of $10. Here we have a vintage Ed Hardy long sleeve shirt. It was listed for $69.99 and we took a best offer of $50. Here we have a PS2 NBA Street Volume 2 video game. It sold for full asking price of $49.99. Here we have an Invicta 8-slot watch case. It was listed for $29.99 and we took a best offer of $25. Here we have a pair of Tahari jeans. They were listed for $24.99 and we got full asking price. Here we have a pair of Carhartt B11 work pants. We had them listed for $32.99 and they sold for full asking price. Here we have some fragranced body lotion. It was listed for $38.99 and we took a best offer of $32. The only item we had to sell on Poshmark was a pair of Judy blue bootcut jeans. We had them listed for $25 and they sold for a best offer of $23. Our next item is a PS2 Gran Turismo video game. It sold for full asking price of $14.99. And our last item for the weekend is this vintage 90s chalkline Buffalo Bills jacket. We had it listed for $69.99 and we took a best offer of $55.
All right, that's what sold this weekend. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you did, well, give us a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell for future videos. And of course, well, until next time, we'll be seeing you.